Welcome to our channel.
Today I will talk about slippers in Japan. We are huge slipper lovers. Let's get started. In America, most people don't take off their shoes when they get inside the house. So you guys don't need to use slippers. I learned some American people are in the habit of using their room sandals, but they are not slippers at all. You guys don't know that difference, huh? We never wear sandals inside the house. When I was in the US, I desperately needed the real Japanese-style slippers I use at home, but I had great difficulty finding them in the shops and stores in town. After all, I ended up buying many of them when I returned home and brought them back to the US. Many people have already known we Japanese take off our shoes at the entrance and put our slippers on. In Japan, most people have their own slippers at home because their sizes and preferences are different from each other's. In addition, we change our slippers by seasons. In summer, slippers made of breathable materials are popular, and in winter, on the other hand, we choose thermal materials for slippers. We also have slippers specially for guests, which are usually more expensive than those in our daily use. Surprisingly enough, we use another set of slippers for the restroom. When you open the door to the restroom, you will see a pair of slippers there. All you must do is take off your room slippers first and change into the restroom slippers. For sure, this must be somewhat annoying to a non-Japanese, and you have very reason to wanna.
Why on earth do you need to change from slippers to slippers in a house?
Slippers for restrooms are usually made of plain nylon which you can easily wash and dry, while room slippers are made of cotton or less cheap materials than nylon. Whether they are comfortable to wear or not is the most important factor when you pick your slippers that you use at home. One more thing, in America, the door to the restroom should be left open except someone is inside using it, right? But in Japan, whether it's being used or not, the restroom door should always be kept closed, which is an important matter. Then, how can you see if a restroom is vacant or not? If you find room slippers in front of the door to the restroom, it's a sign that someone is inside using it, so please don't bother to knock the door. Let me introduce some uniquely designed slippers in Japan. Look at the photo, we call them mop slippers. How nice don't you think they are? Finally, I wanna tell you one more thing about slippers. Don't walk on the tatami mat with your slippers on. Take off your slippers first and then step onto the tatami mats. Thank you for your time to learn about unique Japan. If you like this video, please click the good button and subscribe to our channel. Your comments will always give us lots of motivation.
See you soon!